Welcome back to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to control the volume of your iPhone using your Apple Watch. This feature is incredibly convenient, allowing you to manage your music and other audio without having to reach for your phone. Let's get started. First, you need to ensure that your iPhone and Apple Watch are close enough to connect via Bluetooth. This connection is crucial for controlling music and other audio playback from your Apple Watch. Once your devices are connected, you're ready to move on. Next, locate the Now Playing app on your Apple Watch. To find it, you can use either the grid or list view. If you're using the grid view and find it difficult to navigate, you can switch to the list view for easier alphabetical navigation. Open the Now Playing app and you'll see the controls for the current audio playing on your iPhone. The Now Playing app allows you to control various aspects of music playback. You can play, pause, skip songs, and see what's currently playing directly from your watch. This is great for when you're on the go or don't want to take your iPhone out of your pocket. One of the key features we're focusing on today is the volume control. You can easily adjust the volume by rotating the digital crown on your Apple Watch. In the bottom left corner of the Now Playing screen, you'll see an indicator of the current volume level. As you adjust the volume with the digital crown, you'll notice the changes reflected on your iPhone as well. In addition to volume control, the Now Playing app offers other useful features. You can repeat and shuffle songs, switch playback devices like your HomePod, and even add songs to your library. These features work with any audio source, not just Apple Music, making it a versatile tool for all your audio needs. It's important to note that the volume control feature isn't limited to just the Apple Music app. You can use it to control the volume for any media playing on your iPhone, whether it's music from YouTube, podcasts, or other audio apps. This versatility makes the Now Playing app a powerful companion for your Apple Watch. By following these steps, you can effortlessly control the volume and other playback features of your iPhone using your Apple Watch. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your audio experience without needing to touch your phone. Thank you for watching this video on Foxtecc. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. See you guys later.